Welcome, everybody. NHL action. I'm talking once again with Dana Lane, NHL analyst, and we're going to break down the Florida Panthers versus the New York Islanders. This is going to be a very interesting game. Now, the Panthers, Dana, have won the last 4 contests against the Islanders. Do you think that will change tonight on the Isles' home ice?
Yeah, absolutely. And it's going to have to, because this would be, if the Panthers win tonight, this will be the first time in 8 seasons that they have swept the New York Islanders. And I'm sure that kind of sticks with them a little bit. And this is certainly a game for the Islanders that they have to win, because they were in 3rd place pretty solidly in the Metro Division for a long time. But now they look up and Pittsburgh's right on their heels. And I think this is a game that you're going to get an inspired effort out of the Islanders from. Florida has their next 6 out of their last 7 on the road. Where they have played well as of late, but on the road they're on a 3-6-2 run. I need to see them play better, especially on the road, before we take them against a quality opponent.
You know, and you and I had talked earlier in several other videos the last few weeks. All right, this Panthers team is loaded with vets, veteran players, and I'm wondering if they're starting to tire out. Now, if you couple that with the fact the Islanders are pretty banged up defensively right now, Dana, do you think Florida could possibly take advantage of that?
Well, the one thing I really like about the Islanders is their backup goaltender, Thomas Greiss, had played amazing in the absence of Halak. In fact, his save percentage is 2nd in the NHL right now. His 928. There was some talk that Berube was going to start tonight, but I'm much more comfortable with Greiss in the crease. And I think if you take both Halak and Greiss and match them up against anybody in the NHL, they have as good of a 1-2 combination as anybody.
Okay, well, I can't refute that. That's some good stats there. The Panthers have had their woes on the road as of late, and I think that's going to continue as well. What's the best shop line for the Islanders tonight?
We'd go out and get this right now. The Islanders are at minus $1.30. There are some minus $1.40s out there. So if you can grab them at 30, which is a reasonable price, we certainly encourage you to do that.
Okay, well, viewers, you heard it. New York Islanders, you can grab them right now on the money line, minus 130, and Dana Lane is very confident about this pick. Okay, Dana, well, as always, I wish you luck in beating the book, and I look forward to talking to you again real soon, my friend.